that fast. No. Oh, baby.
In the room. Haven't put everything in yet because I need to wash some linens. Ooh, purrs. This is, these are fever coat babies, which means their mom had a fever or they had a fever when they were born. And their fur, this is actually going to be a plain black cat, but its fur, the water's running a little in the bath, is gray right now. I know, just trying to show. And then this kitty, the tabby, had it too, but it is going away, but you can still see it's grayer than a normal tabby. And then the Siamese has no fever coat because it's white, but it also has this umbilical cord hernia that freaks me out. It sticks out. You can't see it as much because of its fur. I'll put some pictures in, that creeps me out. But it's gonna go get an appointment tomorrow. See that? So yeah. Here's a little ball for you guys. I got 3 balls, 1 for each from the other fosters. She gave it to us, so you guys can have it. You can miss your other foster mommy. She's so good to you guys. Gave them baths. I know it's a little scary. It's a new place. I will get you guys a bed after I wash it. Yeah. Oh, the lights aren't. There we go. A little bit better lighting. Hi. I got them their new ferret litter box, so that should be awesome. Cleaned out all their bowls. Wiped down the scratching post. Oh, they're a little nervous. But they'll be playing in no time. They don't seem like extra nervous. Anything. They're actually really curious for being in a brand new place. Do you smell the other kitties a little bit? Or are you smelling the cleaning cloths? Yeah? So I got Siamese, tabby, and a black kitty with a fever coat. I wish I could keep it. It's so cool. Ooh, the black kitty's a purr. A really good purr. How about you? My other kitties didn't purr much. The tabby started, but I never heard the other 2. Hey. You purring because you're happy or because you're scared? Cats can purr when they're scared and in pain. I'm pretty sure this kitty's not like terrified to be purring like that. Let's go be a happy purr. Good job, you guys know how to use scratchers. We just trimmed all 4 nails on all kitties. That way they don't get stuck on stuff or in my skin. Uh-oh. I think Hazel's getting into something. Heard that, kitties? That's your food? Your dry food and water? I'll get you guys some wet food soon. Yeah. These guys are about the same exact size as the kitties I just gave back, so it's pretty cool. The Siamese is going to the doctor tomorrow morning to get the umbilical hernia checked out, see if we need surgery right away. It's a pretty big one, so we're guessing it probably won't wait until getting fixed. Also, it's a boy, so if it's a girl, it would be kind of like all in one, but the boy's gonna have to have 2 separate surgeries because he wouldn't be opened up like a girl would be. That's your litter box. Yeah, you want to try that out? It's just litter. Been on a long trip. We had to drive there. Took an hour to get back because of traffic. Come here, baby. I'm scared to hold its belly. You don't have to go in there? Okay. Where are you, Tabby? Just so they all know where the litter box is. They usually find it on their own, but their litter was a little different than this litter's. Alright. Well, we'll do an update later. I'm exhausted. My friend just left this morning early. Had to clean the room, do lots of laundry. Oh, you're good now? Go take the other kitties, get the new kitties, run errands. It's been a busy day. And working on YouTube videos. I did 2 this morning and I'm doing one now that I gotta put together with the bath video that you'll have seen before this. Guys dried quickly and nice and all. Well, I guess it hasn't been quickly, it's been over an hour. Do you hear Hazel? She's playing with her squeakers. I think you guys will be ones that will play with her under the door. Hi Hazel, I hear you squeaking under there. Aww. Oh, we gotta go see that puppy. Oh, Hazel's at the other door now. Is that puppy scary? He's gonna be your new best friend. She. Oh my goodness.